holders today, guys. We're going to be making key ring holders. Hey everybody, and welcome back. It is Ashleigh here, and today I'm bringing you a brand new tutorial. So, number one, first things first, if you have not clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And if you're new, hello, and thank you for clicking on that subscribe button. So, in this tutorial, we are going to be making key ring holders. Now, these keyring holders are super simple and affordable. Everything is literally basically from the Dollar Tree, except for maybe the paint. But everything else is from the Dollar Tree, and basically the paint is like $1, so everything's $1. Okay, I'm cracking myself up. So anyways, let me stop talking and let's get into the materials.
So for our materials, you're gonna need a 5x7 frame, white acrylic paint, push pins, flowers, a wall sticker, glue gun, paintbrush, scissors, and of course, sandpaper. Now our first step is to paint our frame. Then we are going to take our wall sticker. We are going to be using the hello part. I thought it made perfect sense because it is a key ring holder. They didn't have the word keys, so we're going to use hello. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean our glass and then add the wall sticker. Alright, so now we're going to take our push pins. I'm taking 4 out. You can take out however many you would like. These push pins were perfect for our key holders because they have the little hooks. And all we're going to do is just paint them white. This is how your frame looks after 3 coats. And now we're just going to paint our sides. Okay, so after our sides have dried, it's time to distress. You can go as heavy or as light as you would like. Now it's time to distress our push pins. Okay, now the next step is adding our push pins to the bottom of our frame, and for this I just eyeballed where I needed to put them. So now we're just going to take our glue gun and we're going to glue the sides so that we can add our glass back to the frame. Now we're just going to glue down our corners so that we can secure the glass. Now this next part you don't have to do, but I just wanted to add a little flair, so I chose Delilah's and I just clipped the stems off and glued it right to the frame.
Alright guys, so we're all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!